The countdown is on in Watkins Glen as crews prepare to welcome thousands to the 32nd Annual Waterfront Festival and Cardboard Boat Regatta. This beloved event takes over Seneca Harbor Park, bringing together locals and visitors for a day of lakeside celebration.
We have the Waterfront Festival, where most everybody will know it as the Cardboard Boat Regatta. So that is just this quirky, fun boat races where people make their own cardboard boats and then they go in this lake and try to make it to the end.
From 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., the harbor transforms into a hub of activity. Dozens of food trucks, craft booths, and nonprofit vendors will line the waterfront.
There's food, there's music, there's the great entertainment of the boat rides or the boat races.
But the real star of the show is the nearly famous Cardboard Boat Regatta, a wildly entertaining tradition that puts creativity and courage to the test. Participants spend weeks building their cardboard boats, all to sail or sink in front of cheering crowds. Captains and crews race their handcrafted vessels from the boat launch to the finish line. Organizers expect a large turnout and advise arriving early, especially for those hoping to secure prime spots along the lakefront.
It's definitely a really great event to come. You can just park anywhere in the village, walk around, come see the festival.
If you are interested in attending the Waterfront Festival, it is happening this Saturday, June 14th. The Cardboard Boat Regatta race starts at 2 p.m. on Saturday. For more information about this event, you can head over to our website, wydc-tv.com. Haley Livingston, Big Fox News, Watkins Glen.